Welcome everyone back to Mr. Darwell Update. Today we're looking at the radar. You can see here there's a little bit of rain and snow showers actually. You can see here on the Pennines here, and scattered rain showers as well, slinging about just for this morning. We've also seen a scattered frost. As you can see, it's trying to increase, but it is moving a little bit more south as it dissipates into there. Otherwise, most areas are going to be mostly dry. We could see some coastal isolated wintry showers about, otherwise not too bad in terms of rain or snow. Even Scotland hasn't got too much precipitation, so it's going to be quite dry today before everything happens. And obviously look at the temperatures, it is a bit below average. You can see it getting more bluish colours. We could see some more, again, 2 degrees, as you can see here, as the max temperature. It'll be a little bit warmer than yesterday, just to get into 4 or 5 degrees. Now looking at a few weather warnings. You can see here a weather warning for ice. Okay, this is for bits of West Wales. Ice surfaces probably lead to disruption. Alright, so obviously this was on for yesterday, so we could still go on it really. Again, we could see some rain and sleet with some snow accumulations as well. Again, keep your family safe with the snow. Alright, so that was that one. Let's have a look at some more. There's another ice warning. Let's see if this is expired. Again, it is a little expired as well. This is obviously for last night. Again, snow and ice can be destroyed during disruption. So I'm just going to have a look at the tomorrow's. We have a snow and ice warning. This is a new one. A snow and ice warning here for most of England. We have heavy snow and even some freezing rain in places. It may cause a disruption over the weekend. We could see some power cuts will occur maybe. Maybe communities may be cut off. Slits from ice surfaces from the freezing rain. Delays and cancellations on rail and air travel. So like I said, outbreaks of rain, which is steadily progressively getting into northeast with later on Saturday and overnight into Sunday. Okay, we'll proceed. A smell of snow on its northern flanks, whilst there is a little bit of uncertainty where this is. Any snow in south and eastern areas, especially low levels, will transition back to rain, but some more snow amounts are going to be significant for obviously Wales, the Midlands, and Northern England mostly. Per time, 5 centimetres mostly. Could accumulate more widely really. We could even see 20 to 30 centimetres of high ground into North Wales. Potentially 30 to 40 centimetres over the Pennines. This is with strengthening winds, leading to some light snow. And now, as we have this mild air in the brink, as it moves northwards, the snow could turn into freezing rain before it turns back to snow really. Which is obviously, if it keeps doing that, it will get into an amber warning because freezing rain is very dangerous, even though it's quite rare. Adding to the risk of ice and treacherous conditions with a fairly rapid fall of lying snow. It depends how. We don't really know how far it's going to get. It is uncertain at the moment. It has a very low likelihood and a medium impact. We have another snow warning for Scotland. Again, heavy snow with the same kind of conditions really. I'm just going to go over here. Again, we could see 10 to 5 centimetres, or may accumulate maybe 10 to 20. We could see rain and sleet, mostly in the coastal areas, and have a low likelihood and a medium impact. And it's extended into Monday. Right, looking at the precipitation chart, we can see here, we can see again quite a settled day. We could see some snow showers at times, but not too bad. Now there's a band of cloud moving in for Saturday with nothing really yet, but you can see here the front is trying to push in now. As it comes into southern England, it's going to give a significant snow amount into there, and just into Sunday right there. You can see here before it moves in, it is literally on Sunday, so it's a little bit later. However, it could see quite a significant snow amount as it's mixed in with rain as well. That could be freezing as well. So if we have a look at that, really quickly, I'll look at the snow depth. We could see a significant snow depth in between here, where it's a little bit colder. You can see here, again, we're getting a little bit more, I'll say a little bit warmer. 4 or 5 degrees is more likely. Still got freezing temperatures in some areas. Again, getting to below freezing for tonight, could see some frost if the winds calm down. You can see here again, not as cold as not as warm as today. Could see less single digits for now, but there is the mild air trying to push in though. You can see here for Sunday itself, mild air doesn't seem as strong as I thought really as yesterday, so it's not really making a lot of progress. But where the mild air does meet, we could see very mild air actually, 11 to 12 degrees, 30 in some areas. And that gets swept by the cold air back to very cold temperatures as well, so getting to below freezing again, and again below freezing as we get even closer, further into January. Now, you can see here to Saturday, it doesn't really tell us a lot. We can see here that front. We've got that cold air moving in, and that low pressure system, which is here, bringing that snow and rain and freezing rain for a time as well. We can see a little bit more better on this with the temperature gradient. So you can see here how that mild air is pushing in for a time, but then pushed out again by cold air. And as well as the cold air does, for next week we could see some more mild air trying to dominate, and this time into northern England, with some areas of high pressure as well. So we'll see what happens there. So thank you for joining us. See you in the next video.